Okay guys, right behind me is a ship, and that's all I can tell you. I don't know anything else about it. I haven't walked around on the other side to see if there's any markings on there. The reason why I'm standing on this side is because I'm going to take a few photos with my DSLR. Looking good. Don't know if you can see it on the GoPro from here. Alright, let's walk around the other side. Have a look. Yeah, that's pretty epic from here, guys. As you can see. Wow. Awesome.
I was surprised because
imagine riding on one of those things back in the day. Fair enough, we've got aeroplanes and cars and Teslas and all sorts, but okay. So there is information around here. See the anchor right there. Okay. The Golden Hind. Or Hinde, I don't know how that would be pronounced. Sounds German. Ah, you can actually go in there, go on board. £5 per person, £15 per group of 4, which is a lot better actually. Save some money there. What is that, £4 each or £3.33.333? Okay, interesting. On another occasion, I might have to come here and have a closer look, see if I can get rights to vlog, and if I can't vlog, I'll have to blag it. That's an attraction that I can come back to. Definitely. Golden Hind.
Yeah, like right now?
Yeah. I'm going to be on the door now, so...
Oh yeah. Wait, is it pronounced Hind or Hind there?
Hind. No, it's Hind.
I was making sure.
Yeah.
Alright, cheers, thank you. Definitely Hind. With a silent E. Silent E.
Who is...
pretty good.
Looks like wedding photographer. Or something. Awesome. Congratulations. They look old. Maybe it's an anniversary. Alright, that's some of the photography done there. Again, remember to smash that like button, guys. Especially if you like the content. And those of you who are regulars and support, again, thank you. Definitely, hugely appreciate it. 100%, 110%. Again, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I need some food. Let me see if I can go down this way. This side road. Okay. Don't think I came on this side. There I am. Okay. I'm seeing Japanese food here. Traditional Gujarati Indian food. That looks nice. Looks like vegetarian stuff. Humble crumble. Oh, I did not know there was a humble crumble here. That's good. Because
Yeah.
that's definitely One of my favorites. And everybody's eating up here. A little bit of space. Give him a hold. Taiwanese street food. Looking good. Salt beef. Okay. Indian food, tacos, Mexican street food. I don't want no tacos. I want something a bit more, how can I say? I don't know. I just want something different. Quite good. Hot tequila punch. Those are margaritas. La tua pasta. Is that Italian? I don't know. Sound like it. La tua. La tua pasta. Mayonnaise. Okay. I can't make mine up food wise. Make a shortcut. I might end up not getting any Latino food from here. Just try something different. I don't know. I'm outside the Colombian coffee company. I think, yeah, I went to one of their cafes before and good coffee. So I'm gonna try and get some coffee and boost my energy whilst I also continue to look for food. I still haven't found anything, guys. I might have to get some Thai, I don't know, food, prawns or something. I don't know, let's see. Okay, would you believe it, guys? I went all the way upstairs and forgot my chopsticks. So back upstairs I go to go and eat this food. I don't know if you can hear me actually because it's quite loud here. So I don't know if my voice is being drowned out. But anyway, time to eat some food, man.
Before we begin, मेरे को photo दे। उसने मुझे extra gyoza दिया। Momo तो vegan ना? Yeah. Oh, there is like a store right next to that one. Wait. Okay, the sauce is really spicy, so I only want to try it. No, it's really spicy. I've had it before.
No, I think that's
Because the other one had oysters in it. Me too. What was your friend in Alcon who said toot paro? सही है ना वो? माँ ये बहुत मिर्च है यहाँ पे। ये वाला सब already बहुत सारी बहुत हल्का लगा। They graduated.
It's a bit of a distance to come to shops. Kind of nice to
Right?
visit.
Yeah, not bad.
I just eat too.
Yeah, either or.
Well, we can grab a cab.
I don't mind.
Over the top, not that far.
अच्छा दे ना हमें एक छोटे में दे ये सब छोटे में डालना
Very good. Wait, isn't he having?
No, if you're uncomfortable with a lot of people, we'll just take the cab better. He might be really uncomfortable. And there may be a lot of people on it right now.
the market hadn't fully no was it open we came early 8 बजे निकले 10 बजे घर
Yeah.
बहुत सारे बेकरी आइटम्स
Yummy.
there's a dairy
Save
right
my
next to
last
this
two
dairy
bites.
place. And they have like instant eating matrix. I want something refreshing. Maybe we can go back to that juice stall.
That fresh juice.
Yeah. मेरे पास पानी है. I want to figure out where that girl got that compostable stuff. It's really nice, no? It's like
He's saying I'm going to
like
make
free
this
of
when I get
oil.
home. Pretty easy to make, but I never did.
I wonder if it's so. It's a different
Even the wedding.
I think it's
cost is